Okay, so the way I'm controlling the frame, I've just written a very simple program in LabVIEW. I'm using a compact reel and just using the digital output to flip a couple, really just two signals, pin 7 and pin 8. With pin 8 energized, oil flows to the frame, but it's in low pressure, very low pressure. With pin 7 energized, then we have high pressure to the frame. And to control the servo valve, I have a separate Delta automation module that the signal here, this is just sending the signal to the servo valve that is being generated, and I'm controlling that through an analog output. So here's the entire software, the code in LabVIEW. You can see it's very, very simple. I'm controlling the resources from the FPGA chip, but you can see right here, this is pin 7 and pin 8. If I engage pin 8, what that's doing is tripping a relay, sending 115 volts to pin 8. You just heard the reduction in sound in the pump. That is actually running through the frame now, but in very low pressure. If I engage pin 7 of the frame, again, that's just sending a 115 volt to pin 7, and now we have full pressure to the frame. So this is just a slider that I'm using to send either plus or minus 40 millivolt signal to the frame, and you can see, I'll try to have this, I'm dragging this. See, just by dragging the slider here, I'm engaging the servo one direction or the other direction. Now, I can also send a sine wave to that, which I'm doing here. You can see my sine wave being generated, and you can see the response of the frame. I can change the frequency of that. Okay. Change the frequency of the sine wave, and you can see the responsiveness here for doing cyclic loading. Okay, so the frame all set to go, ready to start testing.